and his assurance of the support. About 2 weeks ago, I did make an effort, and I reached out to the Prime Cabinet Secretary on a number of issues that had been, we felt that had been going a bit slow in the national government. But I'm thankful the support that he has showed us, positive indications. He's already written responses to all the relevant departments that are there, and all of this is for no other reason except to ensure that devolution works and devolution grows within Mombasa and the country at large. So once again, Your Excellency, I want to thank you. Amongst the issues that we were able to deliberate on again today was on the challenges that Mombasa is facing, our success stories as well that we have had from enhanced on-source revenue collection, how we can...
And also senior officers from my office. We are happy to have been guests of Governor Abdulswamad. He has brought us up to speed on quite a number of issues. And I can say that his explanation of what he wishes to achieve and what he wants to do to be able to enhance the status of his county government is very, very encouraging and inspiring. He has run us through some of the approaches he wants to take to employ technology even more in more efficient delivery of services, revenue collection, and indeed even aspects of further and future planning of the county government. So his brief articulation of these issues have been very, very inspiring, and we want to give him all the support that is necessary. We are here also to confirm that we truly believe in devolution. Devolution has made a big difference in our country, and as we deal with the teething problems that come when this new process is coming into place, we want to reaffirm that as a national government, we cannot go backwards on the aspect of devolution. And one of the challenges that we are facing has been that there has been a delay in the remittances to the county government in the context of the national revenue sharing mechanism. Not too long ago, the President held a meeting with all the governors in Naivasha, and it was his desire, and it remains his desire, that we shall eventually smoothen the process so that the process of releasing resources to the counties can be accelerated and speeded up, so that the delays we have experienced will in due course become something of the past. So I want to bring that out. We also must commend the governor of Mombasa and his entire team